Have you ever watched your investments vanish during a market crash, like someone pulled the plug on your savings? You're not imagining things. The game is rigged, just not the way you think. Because while you're reacting to fear, Wall Street's crash bots, automated trading systems running thousands of microsecond trades, are reacting to you. Today, we're exposing how these high-frequency algorithms quietly move billions of dollars in milliseconds, and how, during crashes, they can turn your panic into their profit. Imagine the stock market as a battlefield, not between people in suits, but between machines fighting over nanoseconds. This is high-frequency trading, or HFT. On an average day, these bots account for 60% to 70% of all trading volume in the US markets. Their weapon? Speed. While it takes you half a second to click buy, these bots have already executed hundreds of trades. They don't think, they calculate, and they dominate. In 2010, a single algorithm triggered what became known as the flash crash. Within minutes, the Dow Jones fell nearly 1,000 points. Almost $1 trillion vanished, only to rebound moments later. The machines had outpaced human control. The regulators were left analyzing what the bots had already erased. So, how exactly do these bots turn their speed into your loss? Their playbook includes 3 powerful and controversial tactics. Tactic number 1, co-location. HFT firms pay exchanges millions to put their servers in the same building as the exchange's servers. That's like racing to the last item in a store while they've already built a private doorway to the checkout. They see prices a fraction of a second before you, and that's all they need. Tactic number 2, order anticipation. These bots don't technically front run, which is illegal. Instead, they detect the start of a large order. Before it's completed, they buy up the stock, sell it back milliseconds later for a profit, and move on. Pennies per share, billions per year. Tactic number 3, stop-loss hunting. You've been told to use stop-loss orders to protect yourself. Bots see them as targets. They can identify price levels where thousands of these orders cluster, then dump trades to push prices just low enough to trigger mass selling. The panic snowballs, prices crash, and the bots buy it all back cheap. Some even use spoofing, placing massive fake orders to trick human traders into buying or selling. The order disappears in a blink, but the trap has already worked. During normal days, these bots quietly skim profits from market inefficiencies, but during a crisis, they become something far more dangerous, a crash accelerant. When the market turns chaotic, many of these algorithms are programmed to shut down to avoid risk. The result? Liquidity vanishes. Imagine a fire breaking out, and all the firefighters disappear. Sellers rush to exit, but there are no buyers left. Prices freefall. Meanwhile, other bots, automated liquidation algorithms, kick in, selling more as prices fall. One bot triggers another and another until the market spirals out of control. The system doesn't collapse because of greed or fear. It collapses because logic itself cascades faster than humans can intervene. So can you, an everyday investor, outsmart Wall Street's crash bots? No, and you shouldn't try. These systems operate in microseconds. Competing with them is like racing a supercomputer on foot. But here's your real advantage: time. Crash bots feed on emotion, panic selling, greed buying, short-term reactions. You can starve them by stepping out of that game entirely. Think in years, not minutes. Invest in companies with value, not volatility. They can manipulate speed, but not vision. The only trader the bots can't beat is the one who refuses to play their game. Wall Street's crash bots aren't villains. They're tools, built to execute logic at impossible speeds. But when every player automates fear and greed, the system becomes a mirror, reflecting our worst instincts, amplified by machines. Understanding this is your real power, because once you know how the game is played, you can step outside it. Long-term thinking, patience, discipline. These are weapons no algorithm can replicate. The machines may dominate the market, but they can never master the human mind.